side. Well, anyway, so we're going to keep this train of moving. This is the signal for trains moving. With your next act, the Reverend Orgo.
Has anybody commented on the sweater up here tonight? That's not my favorite sweater. I like it. It's got a nice little costume shit going down. There we go. My name is Reverend Orgo, and earlier today I saw a dude get hit by a car. This is the God's honest truth. I'm on my way to get some weed. I see a dude get hit by a car. And don't freak out, it wasn't a bloodbath or anything. There weren't any decapitated heads rolling down the street, nothing like that. The guy was all right, basically, is what I'm saying. He was a dumbass that tried to jump through traffic and ended up on his ass. But it was a very surreal moment for me, because I had been playing Grand Theft Auto all morning. So I had this moment where I was just in the car is this real life, or am I still playing the game? Luckily, I realized, came to my senses, it was reality before I jumped out and carjacked somebody with a better car than mine. Pretty much everybody on the fucking street that day, I'm sure. Shitty Chevy Malibu. But, as people ask me where you get the cereal, I just fucking go outside my door. It's all around me. But I don't even have to do that sometimes. I just moved, and I find myself living again among animals for the first time in quite a while. I got dogs and a kitty and a bunny and a snake. I don't like snakes, but it's really weird. You snap back into weird habits and do things with the dogs. I find myself talking to them. Anybody have dog owners? I think we all do that. They talk to their dogs and shit. Especially when you're yelling at them, fucking they shit in the house and you're all like, you don't shit in the house! You shit outside! But the dog doesn't know what the fuck you're saying, you could be, he just knows you're yelling. You could be yelling anything at it. You could just be like, why the fuck don't people listen to more instead? They were an awesome band! Fucking 10 Men on Campus is a really underrated movie! It's a cult classic! And the dog you're yelling and he gets afraid. I'm worse than that even. I make idle chit chat with the dogs around my house. I'll be watching TV and be like, what the fuck? Why is that guy going into the building? Doesn't he know he's gonna kill it? Scout, he's not watching TV, he doesn't care. I ask him questions. He's a Scout, where the fuck is the game still? I want to play some fucking Grand Theft Auto. Scout again he knows nothing about Grand Theft Auto. But funny thing happened the other day. My roommate instead of sleep with the dogs were making a little too much noise and wake her up, and she just goes really, shut the fuck up. I'm like, yeah, because the dogs they're gonna jump right on that. That's gonna be something the dogs are gonna be all over. They're gonna respond to that real quick. I think it's all a little crazy, but I think the line is if you're yelling at your fish. That's you're out for lunch if you're at your fish tank going no, Mr. Gills, you shit in the tackle, not in your little barrier reef thing. The mere fact that you have a predisposition to where your fish shits might mean you're a raving lunatic right there. On the subject of animals, I wonder, Sarah McLachlan, do you guys think she considered the long-term ramifications on her career of her voice being associated with sick and tortured puppies and kittens? I don't think she did, because she came on Pandora for me the other day, and I was like, thumbs down. And everyone sees that fucking image in my head. Oh yeah, skip the Pat Benatar. Hit me with your best shot. That's what I like right there. No stick, just good rock, man. Because I do like the rock. And, been known to sing a song or two. But remember the band Oasis? Yes! Oasis was fucking huge for a little while there. Gigantic band. And they fell on hard times. And, fucking not selling so many records. But, I noticed something on TV. They're into something new. It's, trying to bring it to you. Hello. My name's Noel Gallagher, or Lear, I'll get us mixed up. But, we were once known as Oasis, and, our records stopped selling so well, so we decided to go to law school, and we become lawyers now, and now we can represent you. Perhaps I can express it best in song. So you slipped and fell on private property. I think that you should call the legal team with all the expertise. Totally forgot we're getting the next song. 'Cause maybe someday you're gonna sue somebody, and I think you should call Leon and Noel. Last one here. 'Cause someday you may find yourself caught up in a lawsuit, seeking millions of dollars compensatory punitive damages. So, right, like you was the cult. Oasis Law Firm. I'm the Reverend Orgo. Shabbat.
It is a nice jacket, isn't it? Like, I think, every time I see my Orgo on stage, I'm like, wow, like, that's what Satan would look and sound like if he had perfect diction. You have an impeccable beating voice, right?